Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today we're in Glenhazel looking at a next video in the series of this perimeter wall that's been damp proofed from the bottom almost until the top on some walls. As you can see, we've left a little section here. Texture has been matched. As you see, this back boundary wall, we've gone all the way to the top. The stuff is hard. We've put latex, or what you would know as plaster key, into the sand and cement mixture, and we've basically made the surface very strong. We've included some air bricks. As you can notice, at the bottom of the walls there's some cutouts for air bricks to be installed. On this job in particular there'll be 17. As you can see, the scope of the work. What takes the longest time is obviously the drying. This initial tank that goes down is our trade secret formulation. Contains a few different chemicals. If you would like your walls to perform perfectly, please reach out and we'll do a quotation for you. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.